This is the hardest dynamic programming question ever given in top tech companies. So we're given a 2D matrix. The princess is imprisoned in the bottom right corner, and the knight starts off in the top left corner and wants to save the princess. He can only move rightward and downward. Now the input matrix contains integers. The negative numbers in the matrix represents demons, and the knight will lose health if he walks into the room. And the positive integers are magic potions, so the knight gains health if he walks into the room. Initially, the knight has a positive HP, and if his HP reaches 0, he will faint. So we want to find the minimal initial health so that he can rescue the princess. Let's say we are given this example, the knight can take the following path with the minimal initial HP of 7. Let's go over the thought process. Now, what HP should the knight have after saving the princess? So let's say the knight continues to move rightward and downward after saving the princess. The minimal HP that the knight should have is 1 to stay alive. That means we can work our way backwards. Every single time we see a demon, we gain HP. Every single time we see a magic potion, we lose HP. Now at each of the cells, the knight has 2 choices, moving rightward or moving downward. We want to pick the choice that will give us a smaller amount of health to stay alive. Now a side case that we need to handle is when a cell is out of bounds. We don't want the knight to take this path, and we can represent it with a super large value. Let's implement the function calculate min HP taking the 2D matrix, return the result of the helper method. Now let's implement the helper method taking the row, column, dungeon, the number of rows and columns. If knight already saved the princess, return 1. If knight is out of bounds, return a super large value. Calculate the min HP moving down and right. Take the smaller value of the 2 minus our current cell to determine the smallest amount of HP to stay alive. If health is greater than 0, return health, else we can return 1.